So this video is going to contain a mix of product recommendations, not makeup specific, but like a collection that I think that you guys should buy and are not talked about much. So let's get into it. So the first and my most favorite product recommendation would be this glycolic acid toner from The Ordinary. Now this is an exfoliating toner and this has multiple uses. Like you can use it on your scalp if you have a lot of buildup from product usage, or you have an oily scalp, an itchy scalp. You can definitely use this before giving yourself a head bath, and it's gonna work wonders for your scalp. This can also be used as a toner with a cotton swab on your face, like an exfoliating toner, and your underarms too. If you have sweaty underarms and tend to smell over time, so you can use this and this will definitely decrease that smell from your underarm. Another usage for this product is you can use it on your arms, on your legs. If you have strawberry skin, you know that small dots on your skin that you can't just get rid of, so this toner is definitely going to get rid of those. Now this toner is a little bit on the expensive side. I got it for around 1200 rupees. It retails for 1200. You can get it from Nykaa, you can get it from Amazon, or wherever you buy your cosmetics from. Now this toner comes in 240 ml and you need a very little amount. I've been using this for the past, I guess, 2 weeks, and I've only used this much, so you get an idea. This is a very good investment. Definitely go for this. A must buy from us. Another skincare product that I want to recommend you is this rice toner. I think this is my 4th video talking about this product. This product is not talked about enough, is not hyped enough. Let me tell you, I've been using this for the past 2 years and my skin has never been so good. I've recommended this to so many people, and just look at this. I am about to like literally drink this product out, and I have one in my backup also because I never want to go out of this product. This product is so good for your skin. It gives you that Korean glow. You know what, those Korean skin videos that you see, they are all genetics, but this actually gives you a skin glow with your own skin type. Even if you are melanated queen, if you are brown skin, if you are lighter skin, fair skin, wheatish, doesn't matter. This works on every skin tone, undertone, everything. Just make sure if your skin is extremely oily and prone to acne, maybe skip this, but other people definitely buy this. This is rice toner from I Am From brand. I'll just show this, and this leaves no white cast. And also let me tell you, rice water is a natural sunscreen. Do not skip your sunscreen, but an extra layer doesn't hurt anybody. My next recommendation is a perfume, and I know perfume is a very subjective kind of product, but I know everyone loves gourmand perfumes. You want to smell sweet, you want to smell like fresh caramel, popcorn. This is the product to go. Now you're gonna smell like this vanilla ice cream walking out from a cakery or something. This perfume is wearable for the night, for the day. You can, and this is very long lasting, trust me. And this is Vanilla Rush from Nisara, and this product has literally changed my life because people like literally walking asked me, oh, what are you wearing, can you please send me a perfume? And many of my friends have literally bought it already. They loved it so much. Trust me, if you love gourmand perfumes, if you love to smell like vanilla, this is the perfume to go for. Okay, so next recommendation, I didn't really buy myself. This was given to me as a freebie, an order that I got. Now this, I never expected this product to perform in such a good way that I will buy a full size of it. Right now I have ordered it. Right now this is like a small sample I got from LA Girl. This is their lip oil nourishing gloss. Now this product kind of performs like Dior lip oils. I know this is going to be very controversial, but this performs like Clarins lip oil and Dior lip oil. This is such a beautiful product, not sticky at all. This leaves such a nice flush and a gloss. Just look how beautiful this product is. Now I'm reapplying it again and again because this is a very small one and a very small product, but I have ordered a full size, and this is in shade Sheer Strawberry. Definitely a must buy. If you don't like those sticky feelings of glosses, definitely go for a lip oil. And this lip oil specifically, this is Elegant lip oil in the shade Sheer. Okay, another lip product. So again, this product is not being hyped as much as it should be. Trust me, this lip tint from Mars is everything, and you'll literally die when I tell you the price of it. Just look. Beautifully it glides on the skin. It has a very watery feeling, and it's very blendable also. Just look how beautiful this is. This is gonna leave your lips flushed like naturally. They are this pinkish reddish plum color, and this tint gives kind of a Korean vibe. I don't know if it's made in Korea or not. This is an Indian brand, but I don't know if, because this formulation feels so much like Etude or Romand, and I have been using Korean tints ever since high school, so I know what the formulation feels like. This is, look, and this is non-smudgeable. Just look. You just apply it on your lips. Oh my god, my finger is stained. So definitely, like, not talked about much. This product is a definite buy. Trust me, I'll just show you a little swatch. I already had some on, but look, if you like rosy lips, like naturally plump lips, definitely go for this tint. This is Mars Velvet Lip Tint in the shade 04. So next product, I've had this product for a while. I just picked it from like a drugstore when I was out on a trip. I forgot to get my blush and I just picked it from a drugstore. This product is from Swiss Beauty. Broke, as does every makeup. So this broke, but just look at this product. This is a blush from Swiss Beauty. This is their baked blush. The camera is doing it any justice, but the shade is so pretty, and this has like very fine shimmer particles, which is gonna give your face such a nice flush of color. I'll just show you. Okay, so I'm just gonna be picking this up, and always remember to tap your product off and just look. Such a natural flush. My god, I don't even need highlighter after this. Just look. Beautiful, right? This product performs like Rare Beauty shimmer blush. Have you heard about Milani? Because Milani is on the market right now. They have such beautiful products, and I think if Milani or Rare Beauty is going a little bit out of your budget, definitely go for this product. This is so beautiful. Just look. The camera is not doing justice to how beautiful it looks in real life. This is so pretty. This is the blush from Swiss Beauty in the shade 11 Apricot Peach. Definitely a must buy. Trust me, under 300 rupees, this is the best product you're going to get. Just look, it's in front of you. So guys, my video ends here. Let me know if you loved my product recommendations that are not so popular, and if there are any other products that you use and think should be hyped right now, make sure to mention them below in the comments and I'll definitely make a video. Thank you so much for watching my video. Take care. Bye bye. See you in the next one.